Benefit 1. Natural anti-inflammatory. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. While inflammation helps the body defend itself, chronic inflammation is linked to major illnesses like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Turmeric has been shown to work as effectively as some anti-inflammatory drugs, without the side effects. Benefit 2. Strong antioxidant protection. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant. It neutralizes harmful free radicals and boosts your body's own antioxidant enzymes. This gives you double protection against aging, cell damage, and disease. Think of it as a natural shield for your body. Benefit 3. Supports brain function. Here's a benefit many people don't know. Curcumin can increase levels of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a hormone that promotes brain growth. Low BDNF levels are linked to depression and Alzheimer's. Turmeric may help slow, delay, or even reverse age-related brain decline. Benefit 4. May lower the risk of heart disease. Curcumin improves the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. Poor endothelial function is one of the major drivers of heart disease. In some studies, turmeric's effects were similar to exercise or certain medications in improving heart health. Benefit 5. Relief from arthritis and joint pain. If you deal with joint pain or arthritis, turmeric might be a game changer. Research shows curcumin can significantly reduce joint swelling, stiffness, and pain, sometimes even more effectively than anti-inflammatory drugs. Benefit 6. Skin health and anti-aging. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric brightens the skin, reduces acne, and slows visible signs of aging. It can be used internally or applied externally for glowing, youthful skin. Benefit 7. Helps fight depression. One study found that curcumin worked as effectively as Prozac in reducing symptoms of depression, especially when combined with other treatments. Its impact on BDNF and serotonin makes it a powerful mood-boosting compound. Benefit 8. May help prevent cancer. Curcumin has been shown to influence cancer development at the molecular level. It may help reduce tumor growth, prevent the spread of cancer cells, and support cancer cell death. Although more research is needed, results so far are promising.